Hello. A critically important element of any system is the database, and the ability to create a backup of it is one of the key functions of almost any software. A backup allows you to restore data after a logical error, damage to the internal structures of a database, or other situations in which critically important information was lost or destroyed. Additionally, there is often a need to create a full copy of the database. For example, for testing purposes or transferring the server to another computer. In this video, we will discuss the setup of the automatic database backup function in Sigur. Since the database is a critically important element of any system, it is usually stored on a server computer. So, in order to set up the necessary function, we will launch the Server Management and Configuration program. We will go to the Database tab and click the Advanced button. A window with various additional service functions will open. We discuss each of them thoroughly in detail in separate videos. In this video, we are specifically interested in the Auto Backup option. Here you can select the backup period. It determines how many days will pass before the program saves the next backup copy. You can set values from 1 to 1000. Next, let's consider the parameter number of backup copies. This is the number of database copies that will be stored on the medium at once. The maximum value is 1000. Old copies will be deleted automatically. If necessary, you can change the directory for saving backup copies. By default, they are saved in the installation directory of the Sigur software. We recommend changing the backup storage location to keep them on a separate secure medium, or optionally, on a network file resource, disk, or folder. A network resource can be protected by a login and password, which can be specified in the corresponding settings for the Sigur server to save backup copies there. By default, the backup is performed at midnight. At this time, you can change the parameters for the start time of service function. It is important to note that after installing the Sigur software and creating the database, automatic backups occur every day, and the last 10 copies of the database are saved in the Sigur software installation directory in the Auto Backup folder. So, we have reviewed the procedure for automatic database backup in Sigur. That's all from me. See you next time.